The purpose is to learn about the Nmap Metasploit integration. The Metasploit framework is a precision testing tool that can exploit and validate vulnerabilities. The Metasploit framework, one of the most famous exploiting frameworks, contains basic infrastructure and specific content, tools that are necessary for penetration testing and security assessments. The main tools that you can use for creative success are security, workspaces, or vulnerability testing for a system or a network. We can access this Metasploit framework in Kali Linux, same as Nmap. Click the terminal emulator icon at the top of the desktop window to launch the terminal. The terminal is very important in Linux. Alternatively, you can launch a terminal from applications. Right, type sudo su and press enter to run the commands as a root user. The password won't be visible when you type it. Type msf console-h and press enter. Observe all the console options displayed here. Type service PostgreSQL start and press enter to start the PostgreSQL service. Type msf dbinit and press enter. This will initiate the Metasploit database. Type msf console and press enter. It will launch the Metasploit framework console. Type hosts and press enter. Observe that you have no hosts displayed here. Type services and press enter. Observe no services are displayed here. Now we will make use of Nmap. Type db_nmap -v-s-v and the IP address and press enter. Observe the results displayed here. Here, the -s-v option is used for the version detection, and the -v verbose option is used for better results. Type hosts and press enter. Observe the host displayed after integrating with Nmap. Type services and press enter. Observe the running services displayed here. Type exit and press enter to exit from the console. This completes the demonstration of integrating Nmap with Metasploit for host and service discovery. We learned about the process of integrating the Nmap into the Metasploit framework console. I'm CyberEd. I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay secure.